Hi there, I'm Keela from the Close support team, and I'm here to tell you about how powerful and dynamic our smart views are. We are going to take a tour through how AI can help you speed up the ways in which smart views are going to be able to maximize your time and efficiency in your day. And of course, we're going to go beyond the basics of what smart views can do. First, what I'm going to show you are the two ways that you can build smart views in terms of building from the lead page and then building from the contacts page. If you want to build smart view that is going to be comprised of your leads, you're going to start here under leads. If you want to build a smart view that is going to be comprised specifically of contacts, you're going to do that here under the contacts page. So let's start from the leads page because that is one of the greatest places to get started when you're trying to build a smart view. We're able to use AI by going into our search bar, and this is where you're going to be able to type any query that might come to mind. So notice I've already tried out show me leads who haven't been called in the last 3 days. So I could type that in and let AI do its magic. What it's going to do is go ahead and pull all of the leads that do not have any call activity, as you can see, between this current date of 6/10 and then 3 days ago, which was 6/7. I didn't have to know exactly what filter to put into place. I didn't have to search or peck or hunt for the exact filter that I was looking for. But here I am with the exact list that I need so that I can go ahead and make the phone calls using our power dialer and reach out to all of the leads that we need exactly as we need them. That's awesome. So when you use our AI search, AI does all the heavy lifting. It is like a mind reader for your pipeline. It allows you to be able to just go ahead and click the call button and call everybody in your list. Now, the next point that I want to make is that smart views are dynamic, which means they auto update without you having to come back to the list and make any changes. So we're going to start with saving our smart view. So whether you use our AI query or you use a filter, which I will show you in a moment, you will click the Save As button. And this is when you have the power to call your smart view whatever you want. So let's say we want to give it no calls in 3 days. You can keep this private to you. You could save it with the entire organization and you can put a description. This is for calls. Oh, let's change that. This is for leads who haven't had a call in the last 3 days. Quick edit. Click save, and then you're going to have your smart view saved. So you can easily pull it up from our smart views list on the left-hand side here anytime you need to access this particular list. This ensures no one falls through the cracks. There's no specific action that you need to take for these smart views to continue to update. So after I called a particular lead, they will fall out of this smart view until they've once again not been called in 3 days, and then they will pop back up into this list automatically. Easy peasy. All right, let's go back to the leads page. Let's get into some building. We're going to build some filters of our own. So I'm going to build a smart view. I want to start with our current status. So let's go to leads and we're going to look at current status. I want anyone who has a status of potential or interested. So I will select those two. I want to make sure that this says is any of. This is where you have a lot of control. I'll click done. So this has already narrowed things down to those particular statuses only. But I want to do something a little more advanced. So let's add an additional filter. We are going to look for calls and I'm looking for number of outgoing calls. And let's say we want it to be less than 3. And then I also want to check for lead owner. So you can also type in the exact filter that you're looking for up here in the search bar. It really helps you find things that are more obscure, like your custom fields, or when you're just not sure exactly what it's called, but you have a starting point. The search bar is going to be great for that. And I want this to be anyone who is that has a lead owner that is part of our support team. Click done. And now I've built my custom view. I have 255 leads that I and my support team can work directly from this particular view. Again, I can go to Save As, give it the name that we are looking for. And then this one I will keep private to me. I will click Save and then I'm ready to go. One of the great things about Smart Views is the customization. So with this particular Smart View, for example, let's say I want to send a bulk email. I can go ahead and click the Send Bulk Email. I can choose a template. Let's do the 7-day no activity follow-up. And I get to choose if I want this to go to each lead, only the first contact, or all contacts. Let's say we're really going for it. We're going to select all contacts. We can preview, make sure everything looks exactly the way that we want it to, and then we can click send and get all of our bulk emails out to everybody in this list with the click of just a few buttons. Additionally, I could use a particular smart view to go ahead and launch our power dialer. I can just go ahead, select this, click start calling, and I can start to call everyone in my smart view here. Another great feature is being able to bulk edit. So we're going to click the 3 dots button and go to bulk edit. Let's say I want to change the lead status because I've already made the calls that I've needed. Everyone here is they're primed and ready for being one of those hot leads that I can pass off to my colleague. I'm going to select update the lead status. And now I want them to be hot leads. I will click next. And this is when I'll have the opportunity to bulk edit all of these leads. I will get an email that will confirm when that update has been made. And now all of these leads will be hot leads, which I can then make a new filter for. I can come here to leads, add filter, type in status so I can see all of the statuses I want, but here I want current status and hot leads. And this will pull up all of the hot leads that I have available. The last thing I want to show you is how you can manage your smart views. So any smart view that you have pinned to your smart views list is going to be here on your left side. If you click this button, this is how you can see all of the saved views that are available in your organization. You can sort them by the users, or you can sort them by the type. If there's a view I no longer want, I can click the 3 dots on the right side and remove from my sidebar. So you'll notice in a moment right here, Smart 3 is listed. When I click remove from sidebar, I've now cleaned up my own personal view of Smart Views. They have not gone away. The Smart View is not lost. I can always access it again by coming back here to saved views, click the button, and I can pin to my sidebar. So you have full power in customizing your smart view list on the left side to only contain the smart views that you need and none of the ones that don't serve you. Some suggested lists that you can make are lists for people that you need to follow up with. You can do lists for individuals who are nearing that closeout date, customers that you need to check in with. And especially helpful smart view is going to be for leads that match your ideal customer profile. I hope you found this helpful. You can always email us support@close.com and our support team is here to help you. I hope this video is helpful. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help. Happy closing.